Bang,
Ready? How's the first preparation tonight before the match with?
Preparation is always good. The people and the players are really enthusiastic to perform well in today's, and we need to prepare very good for bahrain.
Coach, you have played before with Bahrain when coaching Curacao.
Curacao?
Yeah. So how you see this Bahrain now? How's the change?
Has a very good team. We need to respect that, but we need to look at our own team and perform well. That's a must.
Patrick, are you going to play more on the front foot, like the first 10-15 minutes against Australia? Or?
Well, the most important thing is that we have a good result, and we are trying to look at the victory, of course. So perhaps we will do on the front foot, yeah.
Coach, we know that now we are in the position that get a very high pressure for the players or the
Yes.
teams. How do you prepare the players mentally strong for the match tomorrow?
Well, mentally the players are very strong. I mean, if you've seen the match against Australia, we did a very good job, although we lost, of course. A very disappointed result. Everybody knows that. But now we have to look to Bahrain. We can't change it anymore. With all our good faith, we're going to have hopefully a good result.
Patrick, what are your main key takeaways from the match against Australia, and what will be prepared in the match against Bahrain?
Well, if you've seen the game, I think we played very good the first 20 minutes. I think if the penalty was going in, it was a totally different match. Unfortunately, it didn't went in, and now we need to focus back on Bahrain. Get the positive mindset, positivity in the group like we have always, and have a good result against Bahrain. Only win, 100%.
Only win?
Only win, yes, of course. That's for us. It's we need to win, and everybody knows it. So we're going.
Thank you.
Saya Magister Tarigan. Saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.